$1 rust remover that outperforms aerosol penetrants, evidence and limits. A long-documented workshop penetrant consists of equal parts automatic transmission fluid, ATF, and acetone. ATF provides detergents, dispersants, and lubricating additives. Acetone acts as a low-viscosity carrier that accelerates deep penetration into rusted joints. Professional machinists and fleet maintenance records since the mid-20th century report faster penetration and longer-lasting lubrication from this mixture compared with light petroleum aerosol sprays designed primarily for water displacement. Reported procedure: clean loose surface rust and debris with a wire brush, mix equal parts ATF and acetone in a sealed container, apply generously to the fastener head and joint, allow at least 20 minutes for standard rust, longer for heavy corrosion, 1 hour or overnight with a second application. Use a breaker bar to apply steady torque when movement begins, reapply as the fastener backs out. For severely seized fasteners, combine thermal cycling, brief heat to surrounding metal, with the chemical treatment to expand the joint before final application. Efficacy and limitations. Field comparisons reported substantially higher release rates for the ATF/acetone mix versus conventional aerosol penetrants. Example: 78% of long-seized fasteners freed without damage versus 41% with commercial products in one documented maintenance project. The method is effective for corroded joints and seized bolts but will not repair bolts that have corroded through, nor will it prevent structural failures from age, sidewall damage, or severely degraded components. Liquids inside assemblies can affect balance, distribute the mixture and verify component integrity after removal. Safety and handling. The mixture is highly flammable. Work in a well-ventilated area away from open flames, sparks, heat sources, or confined spaces, store sealed and away from ignition. Allow adequate penetration time before applying torque to avoid shearing fasteners. Assess fastener and surrounding metal condition before attempting removal. Context: the original water displacement product marketed in the 1950s was formulated to repel moisture and was not designed to chemically penetrate iron oxide. The ATF/acetone penetrant was developed and circulated informally among trades for severe corrosion scenarios. Industry marketing and warranty practices widely favor branded consumer aerosol products. Trade use of the ATF/acetone mixture has persisted in professional settings.